Hello and welcome to Promonoise, another edition of the intersection of mind and heart. I'm your host, Alex Morin, and I'm thrilled to be presenting this exclusive content to you at PromoEQP. Today I'm going to go over a blog that I submitted to you, and it's called An Altered State of Mind. And the reason I'm going to do that is it provides some clues in terms of how we can relate to people and how we can actually change people's habits. So let's just say you wanted to change an employee's habits within your own company, or you wanted to change a customer's habits in terms of how they buy or how they purchase with you. You're used to confrontation, you're used to no's, you're used to people not changing their habits. But one of the ways that you can actually resonate with people is by speaking directly to their subconscious, the place that their habits actually reside. You see, the mind has two sides to it, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. In the conscious mind, we imagine, we use our will, we use our reason, we use our memory. But it's the subconscious that runs the programs, our daily habits. And so if we want to resonate, we have to speak the emotion. We have to speak the language of the subconscious, which of course is emotion. So let me give you an example. If I were trying to sell something to a customer, it might behoove me to take them on the journey that I undertook to find the right product solution for them. So I might invite them to a conversation and I might say, hey, listen, I want to tell you about what I went through in order to find the most amazing product solutions for your company. And so you'll do this and take them on the journey. Here's what I did on Saturday. Here's what I did on Sunday. You're never going to believe the research that went into this. And when I put it all together, this is what I came up with. And when you do that artfully, when you do that in a way that resonates with your customer or with a fellow employee, you are speaking to the emotional mind. You are speaking to the subconscious, the place in which the routines reside. And if you can do it effectively and bring people on that journey with you, you will be able to influence them to actually open their minds and change their behavior. In this manner, you will get more sales. You will have more adoption of the ideas that you are trying to undertake in your own company. And we do this by talking to people in an altered state of mind. That is to say, communicating directly to the subconscious through the language of emotion. Hey, I'm Alex from Promonoise. Please don't forget to check out our website, www.promonoise.com, where I do a whole bunch of unbelievable product review videos and have lots more material for you. Hey, I'm thrilled that you spent some time with me, and I can't wait to hook up with you again next month. Thanks very much, and take care.